guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I bought a new Roomba vacuum cleaner. It is the ionvac RoboVac 2000. So let's unbox this. Okay, so first let's move it up here. I'm gonna take this off the main lid. So let's lift this part out. I also installed the new iOS 26. If you want to do that, you can go. I will send another video in the description how to do it. I know it's why it's taking so long. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna get everything out. Okay, so now I officially succeeded, got everything out. So let's check this out. This one's also used too, but it's really new. So I put it in a spot where it's supposed to be. Good, we don't need you. Okay. An extra filter. The charging base in this remote. It kind of looks like a pure clean remote. Does it? Yep. Okay, so let's go. Let's take this beautiful side brushes and pop them on the back. Okay, so first I'm gonna put these two side brushes. Okay, let's take. That's cool, I figured out. If one spins, okay. So let's go and plug this in. So I'm going to plug the iRobot and plug this new iRobot. I moved some in the living room too. Our old recording area. The remote, the ionvac. Okay, let's actually flip it over and power it on. 5 minutes later. Okay, I just connected it to the app. Yep. Okay, ionvac. No, you're supposed to be charging right. Okay, put everything here. Okay. No. Oh, you're supposed to be charging. So my ice pack. I'll put this later. My dirty laundry. My laundry. This bag. I will keep the box under my bed, and I will hang this other thing for decoration on my nightstand. Some videos are on the floor. Some videos you might see this. Some videos you might not. So, yeah, I got the manual, and now let's go and let's read, and this is how the ionvac looks. So yeah, looks pretty nice. Let's read the manual. So it says blah, 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 blah. Done. Okay. Okay, I'll put this on the bed. Good. Okay, let's turn it on. I will just flip the display over.